everyone, this is your host and host Imran. Welcome back to my channel from Analyst Traveler. I'm back with another video and today we are exploring Kanching Fall, one of the best hidden gems in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, and this place is famous for their waterfalls. Okay, so if you are new in this channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification whenever I will upload my new videos. And the entry fee for this place is 2 ringgit for Malaysian and 8 ringgit for non-Malaysian. And how we reach this place, let me show you. In order to reach to Kanching waterfall, there is no direct metro and train connectivity. So we book a Grab basically. So as I live near any central mall, so I pick up a Grab from there. And it cost me 40 ringgit. So wherever you are staying in Kuala Lumpur, just book a Grab. And you will reach on 25 to 30 minutes. So I'm just waiting for my Grab. So now we get the Grab. Now we're starting the journey. It's quite amazing, and now we are going to explore the third waterfall. Now we are moving toward to explore the fourth one. So basically you have to walk a lot. It's on the very high altitude. So once you keep gliding up, you will keep exploring waterfall.
Oh my god, this is a too much dangerous.
Now we have to go up with the help of the rope. Let's start. We need to go to the top. Finally we reached the top after so much of struggle. This is the last waterfall. So now we are exiting this video. So now we are going inside the water and have some chill. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you all for the day. Bye.